Okay, class, let's continue reading Charlotte's Web. Who wants to start first?
Oh, please pick me, Miss Ginger. Please pick me. Please pick me.
Okay, Sammy, you can start us off as usual.
Ha! Teacher's pet. Teacher's pet.
Okay, that's enough, Axel. Read next since you have so much to say. Now settle down, class. Let's begin.
No, please don't kill the run, shouted Fern.
No, Fern, said her father. Axel, it's your turn. Oh my god, this is so crazy. I need to record this. Prissy, put away your phone. I'm not going to tell you again. And Axel, wake up, or both of you will be sent to the principal's office. Okay, geez, don't get your hair in a tangle. You should show Miss Ginger respect. She was here to help us teach important skills.
Oh, what? I had a dream of rainbows and unicorns.